Hey, hello guys, welcome to Shy Guy Review. In this video, I decided to talk about an awesome product, the Viddyoze 2022 hand-free video creating tool by Joey Xoto. The product costs $67 and is now crossed over $20 million in sales, with major corporations such as Sony, DHL, Vodafone, Tesla, and PepsiCo using it for promotion. Also, make sure you stick around until the end of the review. I'll also show you Viddyoze features, demo and pricing with bundle discounts and personal opinion with pros and cons. Before I start, I warn you that this software is only available on their official website. If at any point during this review you want to check out the Viddyoze Studio, go ahead and do so. To make your search easier, I gave the official link in description. Let's get started. Well, what is Viddyoze? Viddyoze is a video making software designed to help businesses create and edit videos using custom templates and add watermarks. It enables video editors to design call-to-action overlays and floating animations, share videos with clients, engage with target audiences, and render animations in multiple formats. In Viddyoze you can create sales video, testimonial videos, lead magnet videos, upsell videos, onboarding videos, special offer videos, event announcement videos, content videos, and more. Delivered automatically to your inbox every single day. Viddyoze features and benefits. The slickest, smoothest workflow. This is ideal for social media and SEO marketing, where consistency reigns supreme. Universal MP4 videos are available for download in Universal MP4 format, making them 100% compatible with all video platforms on the internet. Ultra-fast servers. Fast secure servers ensure you're never waiting around for your videos to render. Easy aspect ratios. Different platforms require different aspect ratios. So to make sure your viewers always get the best experience, Viddyoze makes sure your videos are always rendered in the correct format for the platform you plan to publish on. Human-sounding text-to-speech. Unless you're a robot, you shouldn't sound like a robot. So, we've got the best human-sounding text-to-speech technology available to make your videos sound as humanly possible. In-app image editing. Crop and adjust your images without needing a tool like Photoshop. Everything happens within the Viddyoze platform. Let me show you a video demonstration of how this Viddyoze works for business. Viddyoze pricing. Viddyoze has one front end and it costs $67 once with a 35% discount. And this software comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try Viddyoze risk-free. However, if you want to get this software at a discount, take advantage of limited time offers. I've included a link in the description. To get Viddyoze now. My opinion. Viddyoze is an incredibly amazing and outstanding platform that allows you to create scroll-stopping videos in a matter of minutes. Viddyoze tools are professional and simple to use. The quality of the animations is very good, and also the variety of styles and the live action options are very cool. If you needed more templates, you need to buy the upsell, but is only cons in this software. That's it guys, I hope this video helpful to you make a best decision. If you have any question, comment below, maybe I can help. Like the video and don't forget to subscribe our channel. I see you guys in another video. Have a great week.